Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale recruitment marketing with Jobvite detailed guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale recruitment marketing with Jobvite, start by assessing your current recruit, identify your target candidates and the channels they frequent. Next, leverage Jobvite's analytics tools to gather insights on your existing hiring processes. Analyze which job postings are performing well and which are not. Use this data to refine your job descriptions and make them more appealing. Set clear recruitment goals that align with your company's overall objectives. Utilize Jobvite's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks in your recruitment process. Create engaging content that highlights your company culture and the benefits of working at your organization. Incorporate social media into your recruitment marketing strategy to reach a wider audience. Make sure to regularly update your career page with fresh content and job postings. Utilize Jobvite's referral program to encourage existing employees to help in attracting top talent. Engage with candidates through personalized email campaigns using Jobvite's integration with your email marketing tools. Track the performance of your recruitment campaigns with Jobvite's reporting features. Adjust your strategy based on the collected data to optimize your outreach efforts. Consider investing in targeted advertising through Jobvite to reach passive candidates. Foster relationships with potential candidates, even if they are not currently applying. Regularly review and enhance your employer brand to stay competitive in the job market. Lastly, gather feedback from candidates and hiring managers to improve your recruitment processes continuously. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your recruitment marketing efforts with Jobvite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.